I'm Deacon Harold Burke-Sivers, and I'm thrilled to announce that my presentation entitled Apologetics 101 is now available on CD and DVD worldwide through Parousia Media. This presentation goes through the 7 truths of the faith that we must know as Catholics in order to defend our faith. It covers Scripture and tradition, the Papacy and authority, Mary and the saints, the Sacraments, and much more. This is the resource that you need to give to your children, especially those away from the church, and to your friends so they can understand and appreciate the beauty and truth of the Catholic faith. To receive your copies of Apologetics 101, visit ParousiaMedia.com. God bless.